See, plants growing in plains. Samadalama. So, நம்ம இப்ப இருக்கடலாம் plain இருக்க. So, these areas we called it as plains. Okay. So, plants growing in plains. How they look like? See, these plants have lots of branches. Many branches are there. See, look at those plants. They have many branches. They cover more space. They spread. The branches are spread. Isn't it? So they cover more space. Lots of branches and lots of leaves are there. So they cover more space. Then the leaves, look at the leaves, broad and flat. Okay, the leaves are broad and flat. Look at the leaves. The leaves shed in winter. So during the winter season, many trees shed their leaves. Shed na enadhu? Vilundrum. Keela vilundrum. Leaves vilundrum. For 1 month or 40 days, the trees are there without leaves. During winter time, they shed their leaves. These plants, plain region, many of the plants shed their leaves during winter season. Clear, children? So, because those trees shed their leaves during winter season, because of that particular feature, we call such kind of trees are deciduous trees. அது இலைய உதிர்க்கிறதுனால மட்டும் அதுக்கு என்ன பேரு? Deciduous trees. D-E-C-I-D-U-O-U-S. Deciduous trees. Okay. Why they are called as deciduous trees? Because they shed their leaves during winter season. That's why they called as deciduous trees. Clear? So, what are the example we can give for this kind of plain region plants? Mango, banyan, neem, peepal. Okay. Banyan tree, neem tree, mango tree, peepal tree. Clear, children? So, these are the examples of the trees which grow in plain region. Clear, children? So now we'll go for the next terrestrial plant. Plants growing in hot and damp region. Plants grow in hot and damp region. See, children, plants growing in hot and damp regions. Hot and damp regions. See, the region receives more rainfall even though the places are hot. Okay, hot and damp regions. So, in such regions, the trees which grows there have many leaves. Okay, hot and damp region trees have many leaves. And they do not shed their leaves. Previously in plains, we seen the trees shed their leaves during winter season. Deciduous trees, we said, no? So here, they do not shed their leaves. Leaves edum keela vilave viladu. Okay? The trees which grows in hot and damp region, they do not shed their leaves. So they remain green throughout the year. Greenாவே இருக்கும் வருஷம் முழுசும் greenாவே இருக்கும். They remain green throughout the year so that they are called as evergreen trees. Why we are calling those trees which are in hot and damp region are called as evergreen trees? Why we are saying those trees are evergreen trees? They do not shed their leaves, therefore they remain green throughout the year. So that only we are calling them as evergreen trees. Evergreen trees. Okay, what are such trees? What are the examples we can see? Coconut. cotton, rubber, sugar cane. So these are the trees, we can say it as evergreen trees. Clear, children? Look at that region, hot and damp region. Okay. See here, this plant, coconut is growing well there. Isn't it? In Kerala and all, we can see many coconut trees now. So, why in Kerala side we can see many coconut trees? Because Kerala receives more rainfall and it is hot also, somewhat moderate climate. Okay, so the hot and dry damp areas. Okay, so rubber, cotton, coconut and sugar can grow well there. Clear, children?